Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting both devices ready. Charge the AirPods Pro case and open the lid so the earbuds advertise. On your Motorola, go to Settings, then Connected Devices and turn Bluetooth on. This makes the phone visible. Keep the AirPods within 1 to 2 feet so the radio signals stay strong. Once the lid is open and Bluetooth is active, press and hold the case setup button. That tells the AirPods to enter pairing mode so your phone can find them. You now pair the devices. In Bluetooth settings, tap Pair New Device or Scan. This forces the phone to search. When the AirPods Pro appear in the Available Devices list, tap their name. This sends the connection request. Make sure to accept any on-screen pairing prompts. Android sometimes asks for confirmation. Once accepted, the phone completes the handshake and configures audio routing. If pairing succeeds, you'll see Connected or a headphone icon. At this point, audio will flow to the AirPods. You finish by verifying functionality. Play music and make a test call to check the mic and controls. If audio or controls misbehave, first unpair the AirPods in settings and then try again. If they still won't connect, reset the AirPods by holding the case button about 15 seconds until the LED flashes amber then white, then repeat pairing. Also, on your Motorola, choose Forget Device and restart Bluetooth. These steps clear stale.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.